Getting this rotten post out of here is not going to be too big of a deal. I think the trim up at the top kind of added to the problem. The other culprit being they poured concrete pad around the post when they built the house, looks like, and it's just completely gone. So I got a 2x4 wedged in here next to this post to hold this corner up temporarily. Like I said, there's not a ton of weight on this thing, so I beat that in there pretty tight, took the weight off of this rotten corner. You can see it's just flopping there. So we'll get some of this stuff cut loose. The piece of trim on the top, like I said, I think that was part of the problem. Water was getting between the siding and that board. And there's enough slope on that porch ceiling to funnel it towards that post, and then it just kind of ran down and sat at the bottom. So the beam's in good shape, and trim's a little discolored. I'm going to take a Sawzall and cut between the two. Try to be neat about it, and because I got to cut that trim a little bit too. And you can see there's just two 2x4s nailed together. I don't even think it's treated, so that probably wasn't a good idea either. So yeah, after I get that cut loose in the downspout and brackets taken off of the old post, because we're going to reuse that stuff, I'll clean out this pocket at the bottom, clean it out real good, and I'm going to put a quick set cement patch in there. And I moved my brace over a little bit so I can get in here and work. And then this galvanized plate, it actually fits really good. I'm probably going to have to help it in there with a hammer, but that'll wedge in there real nice, and I can fasten the bottom of the post to that, keep it from moving around. And then you don't have to worry about water getting in there around the bottom again. I'm going to use galvanized nails to hold it in place rather than screws. I got cedar trim going around the post after I'm done, and I didn't want the screw head sticking out and holding my trim out of place. So yeah, I shimmed this up just a little bit more so I could wedge this post in here. So when I let the weight off, it'll be nice and tight on there. And then make sure it's plumb and level before I fasten the bottom. And then the top, use some decking screws. These are weatherproof decking screws. Make sure they're countersunk. Probably 4, one on each corner is plenty to hold that in place, plus gravity. It's not going to go anywhere. So yeah, just got to come back, put some cedar trim around that post, and we're all done. So I hope that helps you out.